Hi guys, I'm the Great Gardener, welcome to the channel. Now, you'll have seen a lot of kind of stories from gardeners like myself on YouTube about customers they've had to get rid of, or horror stories, or things like that. And yes, they're interesting, that's probably why we do them, and that's probably why people click and want to listen. But I've just been back to a customer there, and these are the customers you want. So instead of telling you a horrible story, I'm going to tell you a really nice story, and it makes such a difference. So, I've been doing the garden for about 4 or 5 months now. It's just a grass cut front and back. I charge £30, and the husband has dementia, and the wife kind of looks after him. And I've spoken to him a few times, though. He's not too bad. You can have a conversation with us, no problem. He probably has his good days and bad days. But anyway, so I did the garden yesterday. She was out. I knocked on the door. He came to the door, and he only had £20 on him. And I said, "That's fine, no problem. I'll come back and get the £10 tomorrow." So I've just been, and she answered the door, and she went to give us the £30. I said, no, he's already given us 20. He said he didn't have the extra 10, so it's just 10 I need. She gave us the 10, and then she swapped it over. She gave us the 20. I said, oh, no, no, honestly, it's fine. You don't have to give us an extra tenner. She said, no, she said, look what you've done. It's absolutely beautiful. Just have it. And, I'd only cut the grass. Yes, I'd done a decent job, but she was like so enthusiastic about it, and big smile on her face. She said, no, you keep that extra 10. Absolutely fine. You do a good job. We're really pleased that you're coming and turning up, and, as I said, doing a good job. And it's honestly, it gives you a massive lift. There's so many customers, a lot of my customers are nice, but there's a lot of people as well where, like, they don't say you're doing a good job. They don't necessarily say thanks, or you don't even see them, and that's like fair enough. But it's so nice when people are just nice to you and appreciative. And I'm doing a thing this year which someone had commented that they do every year, and I thought, I'm absolutely stealing this. So over the winter months, instead of doing it fortnightly, normally I'd stop for my grass cuts. What I'm going to propose to my customers is just to come once a month, just to keep it ticking over, just to hoover the leaves up, the twigs, all the crap that goes on the lawns, and just to, keep them, in a decent condition, to stop them becoming too damp, and moss, weeds, and all that kind of thing growing. And I was just explaining this to her as well, and she said, oh yeah, that sounds like a great idea. I'll definitely have you, once a month through the winter. She said, it makes sense. She said, it keeps you going. This is what she said, it keeps your wage coming in, and it keeps our garden looking nice. And if every customer was like that, it would be an absolute dream. Customers who just get it, who understand kind of the not struggles of gardening, but what it entails. Do you know what I mean? And just someone who's really pleasant. She was asked, because I've just been away on holiday to Menorca. I'm not sure when this video will come out. I'm filming this the back end of September, but I've just been away at the beginning of September for a week. She was asking us about my holiday. Just a really nice woman, do you know what I mean? And yeah, I'm going to end that there. Just, these are the customers you want, so find them and keep them. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Cheers.